Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 5, that is, Does it look the same? Chapter number 5, Does it look the same? First, what is symmetry? Let's understand this symmetry through some example. So, here we have some symmetrical shapes you can see here. Hexagon, rectangle, square, circle, heart, rhombus. Okay? Why these shapes are symmetrical? If you will draw a line from vertical, or you can also draw horizontal, so you will get that this shape are dividing in two parts. Draw a line, rectangle and square, circle, heart and rhombus. So you will get that these shapes are dividing in two parts, and the first part easily covering the second part. So these all pictures are symmetrical. Why? Because the second part is easily covering to the first part with the same. So we can say that symmetry means that one shapes which is exactly look like the other shape when it is moved, flipped or rotate. So through some example we have to understand this all. Now we will know that we draw some lines vertically or horizontal. Draw. So what are these lines called? These lines are called symmetrical lines. Now let's make patterns from a drop of color. A girl has two patterns, pattern A and pattern B. She is saying that she has made patterns through the help of drop of a color. So how these patterns are made? Read it. Now look at this pattern. Here you can see this picture is divided into two parts vertically. The dotted line divides the shape into two halves, half 1 and half 2. But if you fold it along the dotted line, the left half does not cover the right half completely. Yes, here you can see that the first half is not covering the second part completely. So the two halves are not mirror halves. So these are not mirror half, or you can say symmetrical shapes. Now look at another shape. If you fold it along the dotted lines, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. So here we have a picture of a triangle with circle and vertical with the symmetrical line. It is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. And if you will fold second part towards the first part, see that the second part is completely covered the first part with same color. Here is the mirror half image or symmetrical shape. Must have covered the original part with the same size and same color. That is the symmetrical shape. Now imagine the same for this picture. Here we have the star, and star is divided vertical also. Now mirror games. First, here is the picture of a dog. You can see in the box. You can place a mirror on the dotted line. So here we have a dotted line. You can see. Then the part of the dog to the right of a line will be hidden behind the mirror. So here is the mirror. You can see. Okay. And this whole part is hidden. Only face is joined the mirror. What you will see is like A. Yeah. How is it looking? Give the answer. Now look at the figure in the white box. Here is the white box. On which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? Here is the shape B. It is a mirror half. So how it will be get? Also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line. So here we have to put the mirror to get this shape. It is very easy. For that, what have to do? First, we have to get the original picture. So here, this is the original picture, and one is the original picture. Okay, and this is the second part. You can see mirror half. It is the mirror half. Okay. Now we have got our original picture. So after the original picture we have vertical line. So the mirror will be put here. Means we will keep the mirror here in this line. And the second question was, which part is hidden? You can say that this is the right part. So the right part will be hidden.